So Mali 5 o'clock to, so will you connect at 5 o'clock?
Sir, if not, 9 o'clock is okay, sir.
9
Because
two slides. So then after that, what you have to go for these slides. Okay, you have to go for the you know shell actually shell commands. In the shell, what you want to do is you want to associate the whatever the cluster you created with the with the resource group. Resource group I showed you know while I am creating. With that you want to actually associate. Okay, so that what we need to do. Later, after that, what we want to do is we want to get kubectl. Kubectl in general it won't be allowed. If you go for the shell.com, shell this is your cloud. Okay, if you go for the shell.azure.com, you go for shell.azure.com. So you remember we were doing the Linux commands here.
sir.
Okay. So if you are if you not check the Kubernetes, for the Kubernetes, this kubectl is the person who is actually sitting in the backend all the time. So okay, this kubectl command, okay, that will be active for you. Means that will be active for you, and also if you are seeing Visala first, first part, no, the first part Visano, this kubectl and kube control manager. So this is this is the one which we are actually seeing. So which will manage the pods and all, kube control manager. Okay. So that we will see here. So after we are associating this Azure. Okay. So after we are associating, then we can go and open the nodes, kubectl get nodes, and if you want to know about the nodes, whatever you are having in your application, and you want to find out their internal IP address and also kernel versions and all, then you can go for this internal IP, external IP also. Okay. So next one is like to create the pod. How to create the pod is through the command kubectl run and the pod name --image, and I have one one I just got from the Docker. So select stack simplify kube nginx 1.0.0. So from there actually I have got the image. So that image is like an REST API call. Through that I am going to, just like how we have done with the Docker, same actually I am actually using the. So kubectl run my first pod and also image, and also once I run the pod and once I check the pod, it will be my first pod will be running. So here initially we won't be having any pods if you see, but after creating the pod, your pod will be available for you. Okay, so let me go and show still it is running. Progress still. Okay, so it is very good, no problem. So after that, if you want to access the pods, kubectl get pods or kubectl get po. The po is a suffix, okay, alias name of pods. So next, to find out the pods in wide range, you can able to get with the kubectl get pods -o wide. That will also show you the IP address and also the node where it is located, also on which node actually this pod is located. So we saw in the node, if you remember, we saw in the master and also node, in a worker node, we saw like pod will be available on top of a container, no? So just like that, how the pod is actually on top of the worker node, the same association we can find here. See, this node, actually we are having this pod. That is the meaning of it. Hyphen o wide means it will show like the all the details of the pod. And also, if you want to know more details about the your pod, then you can go for kubectl describe pod, my first pod. So that will give you the all the details, and it will give you the when it is created, and also what is the namespace of it, what is the start time of it, whether it is running or stopped, what is the IP address of it. All the information will be available for you here. Okay, so very
Okay,
next
sir.
one is like, if you want to delete the pod, you can go for the kubectl. Kubectl is a command, just like however you are having for the docker command, we are having kubectl pod delete pod, my first pod. Okay, that's the way it
Okay.
will be deleted. And check whether it is still applying. So then the very next one is like your this application. So here where kubectl run my first part, that is the one which is creating. And so if you want to expose the pod with a service, or your pod that has to be externally, that has to be available means, then you can use this command expose. Through the expose command, this application will be running on an IP address. Okay, so that IP address, how can you find this? Through kubectl get service. Through kubectl get service, you will get an external IP, where you will have this external IP. Through this, you can able to check the application image, whatever it is running in the back end. Okay, and here with the kubectl get service, the alias name is svc. That is what we are seeing here. So by exposing this part to a service, what will happen? From the browser also, you can able to access the particular application. That is the meaning of it. Okay.
Okay.
So next, okay. Okay, now I can find, so deployment is succeed. Okay, so you can
Okay.
find it here. So it is asking me to go to the resource. So I am going for the resource here. So this is the information you will find. Resource Kubernetes version, and also status description, and also kubenet, that is our network type. This and all we have given while we are creating the Kubernetes cluster, if you remember. Okay, so let us start the application. How to start the application is just click on this connect. Okay, first, okay, it is already running. That is why it is already like this. So it's already running. So let me go for the Kubernetes service. So once you go for the Kubernetes service, you will find like what our service, about our Kubernetes service name is AKS demo. So let us do from the first of these commands. So
Okay.
So what is our first command? It is like we want to associate the resource group. No, that's our first aim. So let me go through you this one. This is like is a agent AKS. This is the command to associate your credentials with the Kubernetes cluster. So credentials. So hyphen resource hyphen grop group space someone. This is my resource name, no, 215. Okay, hyphen name,
Okay.
and also ours is AKS demo 1. We want to give AKS demo 1, that is my Kubernetes stuff, right? Once here you actually create, so you'll have this. Okay, get you mean get credentials. Okay, I think it's not. Yes, yes. Okay, cool. I have created already. That's why. No?
Yes.
So next is like kubectl, kubectl, and get nodes. Get node is like the main. Okay, the in this node only you can able to create your pod. Okay, nodes are actually topmost master actually. So if you want to find the in an elaborate format, you can go for -0 wide. So that will give you actually the total information. What is an OS image, and what is its runtime, whether it is ready or not ready, or what is its OS image, kernel version, internal situation. What you are getting, no?
Yes, sir. I think so.
Okay. After that, we'll see how to create the pod in our application. Through the kubectl run my first pod image cube kubectl run. Okay, and also my first pod. So you can give whatever you want, right? My pod, my new pod or something. So it's not my new pod, and also image. Okay, also so I'm taking this information to this is an one of the, so it's like 1.0.0. So that's on the version. So kubectl so next this is the command. Okay, so what to give here hyphen image. So now your pod will be created. You are seeing, right?
Okay, sir.
Your pod will be created. So where this pod will be located?
Give like command like this one to create a new.
In the node, in the node instance, your pod will be created. Where this
Okay, sir.
node, where this node will be there, node will be there in the Kubernetes. Right?
Okay.
The Kubernetes will have node will have pod. Okay.
Okay.
So how can you know that it's associated with which pod? So first we'll see whether the pod is successfully created or not. Okay, get pods. Whatever pods available, that it will show to you, right? Then kubectl get PO. PO is alias. Like this also you can able to check it.
Okay, sir.
Uh, and also, yeah. So 1 second, I think I have to run it properly. kubectl run. So it was failing. Let me run it again. Kube ng nx. Okay, for 1.0.
One dot zero six.
So
Okay, sir.
ngix. So now it's created. Let me go and see the part. Yeah, it's there available. It is running. It is the running state. So if you want to check with alias name, also you can able to check the order. My first part. Okay, that is how the part will be
Okay, sir.
there, right? So next what we can, if you want to get the full information of the part, what is the command? kubectl space get pods, pods pods space -o space wide. Okay, this is the way you can able to get the
So that
all
pod and new
information.
pod.
Yeah, you have
Oh,
you saw earlier nodes, no? First command get nodes.
yes, sir.
So this is our node name. V 18166.253. That is our node name in the Kubernetes. So for that it was created. Yeah, 253.253.00. For the 00 node, our pod is created. So we can able to know for which node our pod is located. Sometimes you'll have for different nodes, different parts will be there. You can able to find them with the parts -o space wide option. So that you can able to find out. Okay, you are getting
Okay,
right.
sir.
So yes, sir. Next, like kubectl describe pod. We describe pod. Here I am giving the pod name. My first pod. We give kubectl describe pod my first pod. So this will give you the information about the pod. Okay? All the information about the pod, when it was started, what is its IP, what is its container, all this information will be given to you. Okay.
Okay,
So when it is started, when it is created, so all the information will be given to you. Okay. So next, so if you don't want the part and you want to create you want to delete the part, then kubectl space get parts. Okay. So if you see it is already running, right? So if you are deleting this, you can go for kubectl delete pod space my first pod. Okay, so it will delete the particular pod. Okay, so now if you go for the previous command and check for the pod it is available or not, you would yes, so that whatever is there that is deleted actually.
My
Even
first pod.
my first pod is deleted. So if you want to delete the current pod also, which is ran to error, that one also you can delete. Okay. So now if you go and check, there is no currently pods are running in our application. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Kubernetes cluster. So next, let me up to here. We saw about creating and also deleting and also showing the pods. Okay, all the information we saw. There is one more layer of understanding of the pods. So let me create the pod here. Okay, and also I am see since the pod is created and I am going to see whether the pod is available, where it is running, no problem. So next, what I will do is I will expose the pod with the service. Okay, kubectl expose pod is the command. Okay, whatever your pod name you want to give, my first hyphen pod space okay hyphen type is equal to some load balancer to some load space. This is the type of it. Okay. Okay. And also hyphen port is equal to some 80 and also hyphen name is equal to suppose I am creating this my first service. Okay, so what we are doing is whatever the pod we created, we want to expose it for an IP address. For that, what we did is I kept kubectl expose pod with the pod name and the type is like load balancer. Load balancer will be running on top of the browser and also the port I'm giving as 80. The name is like my first service and get put enter the the particular pod is running for the service and also here we are can able to give ctl to get service. So if I am checking the service, my service name whatever I have given here no, my service name is actually available for this and also the type of it is actually load balancer means which will handle the data evenly. Okay, uh, okay, it will have which will handle the data properly. Okay, so now if you see there is an external IP address is taken to you is given to you for the load balancer application. So this one is actually you can find this one. This is my the application which is showing me some details. Welcome to this one and also all these are coming from this image. Okay, so that is how
Okay.
you want to load or you want to associate your pod for an build. So in Docker, what we saw, if you remember, we saw only the build the image, right? But here we are associating that with a IP address. Okay, that is a important thing.
Okay, sir.
So yeah, next if you are you want to check so once you are exposing for the service, then you have to check the pod it is still running, and also if you want to go for describe, already we saw the describe no. So the describe also we can able to see the information about this. So even if you are checking here, okay, so all this information is actually available for you. There are some other information about details about the most Kubernetes. Okay, and also Kubernetes. Also, last is the second. Fine. This is how you want to associate. Then how to interact how can we see the part logs, right? Then we can go for kubectl logs space hyphen f space my first order. So it's logs allows use logs. So it will show you like we have opened that the browser, no, that information it is showing browser. Okay, control C will come out. Okay, so next, this is how you can able to find out the detailed information of the part. And so next one is like we if you want to connect the part with the container, so you can able to get it via kubectl kubectl space exec hyphen with my first part. What your part name is my first part, no? My first
Yes.
part, and also hyphen hyphen
Hyphen pod.
hyphen bin bash. So you
Okay.
can get the information here. Then just go for the user. Also, this is the ngnx. I have told you the container, no, nginx container. So that container is having this html. So nginx. Okay, ls. So you can find here the index.html. This index.html for accessing. Then we'll find the file name. So this is my actually file name. Okay, that this is my file name. And if you want to come out of this, you can. This is what this is the HTML body which is running on the browser. Okay, exit just exit from that. Okay, so this is how you want to connect to your container from the cube from the kubectl container from the Indian part. You can able to see where it is located. I showed you the path. No? From there you want to go to the index.html. So and also one more is like you can have like kubectl and exec space hyphen it my first pod hyphen bin bash. Yeah, this will give the ls. Go for the ls and okay, it's already with some. So okay, so out of it, exit. Okay, and kubectl space exec space hyphen it space my first word hyphen else. So this will give the total information or whatever the photos are there available inside your pod. LS means what? Listing, no? You saw this in the Linux. Then kubectl exec open 70 my first pod. My first pod hyphen env. Okay, spelling mistake. Okay, completing this. So you will get the all information about the pod and which what is its host name and service port name of Kubernetes and TCP IP address and home where it is located. All the information you can able to find via this command environment of the pod. Okay. Okay, so that's the thing. And also, if you want to know the YAML file of your pod, you can go for like same like get pod xcc kubectl get pod my hyphen first hyphen pod hyphen go YAML. So this will give you the descriptive form of whatever you have created. See, this is says like the name and type is called kind is called. I was mentioning kind in the PPTs, no? That is this one. Okay, kind. Okay, pod. And with this YAML is just like a structure, or it's an JSON kind of language. Through that we can able to create. We can able to create the pod. Even with the YAML file also we can able to create, or we can able to create directly by the CLI. I have created directly by the CLI, and also I can also get the YAML format. We saw this IP address and all when once we did hyphen go wide, no, then we saw all of this information. So finally we can able to delete the pod. Just go here and you see I am closing it. CTL delete pod my first. Okay, so your pod will be deleted. Again kubectl. So next like kubectl and get pods where your pod is for now. You don't have any pods for now. Okay.